Greetings in the name of the Most High. Yeah, Rastafari. Yeah, you know I'm Rastafari soldier. Yeah, the Crocus bag farmer. And as you see, I'm here foraging in the streets looking for herbs, natural herbs. And I just found one right here. Strongback. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to pick a couple of it and let you know what's going on. Strongback is a real good medication. It's good for type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Here you can identify them by the leaves. It's usually 3 leaves on one stem. Ladies and gentlemen, excellent source of controlling insulin. Has a little sweetish taste when you eat the leaves, but my herbs man, Edgar, I'm in training right now, and we're putting in Strongback in our roots to decrease the insulin production and to balance, regulate the insulin production in our customers. Because you know, the deep roads is the real roads, yeah. Bless up, my Jenna. Yeah, I'm a Jenna right there. So big up yourself, my Jenna Shaggy. Yeah, more life, more joy. You know, we're in deep side and we're in Fort Lauderdale right now. And what we're finding out, there are a lot of herbs and fruit trees that are from native Jamaica that are located in Florida. So call me and you can get your herbs. Any herbs you want, call me, from Serisi, Merengue, Strongback, Rum Goat Dashalang. We have them. Duppy Gun. I have all the herbs here ready to ship out to you freshly pulled. If you want them green, we can send them out same day or next day. You know, just pay for the shipping. If you want them cure, we could send them out cure. We have cheney root. We have all the herbs, all the spices that you need straight from yard. Me find it right here abroad. Now tell you the truth. Pimento leaves, anything what you want. Sour sap, sweet sap, peach, pear, anything you want. Breadfruit. Link me. The Crocus bag farmer. 954-245-5180. I just log on to the website, thecrocusbagfarmer.com. More life, more joy. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, it's Rastafari soldier, the Crocus bag farmer. Yeah, Strongback, you know.
Where do the other one now?
Peter people, when I mothers of mothers, yeah, them thing we are dealing with, Strongback. They pull it that just broke off. Yeah.
The one right there.
This place. Strongback to the world. Yeah. To every little boys and girl, Rasta man a forage. Yeah. All the time. See there's Strongback. You can identify them, you know? Yeah. 3 leaf on it and it run. Hard to pull up, man. Wait, yeah man, I see that. John, finding the proper herbs them, it's not an easy thing, you know. You always have to work hard to get things that are good. Yeah. So you go, family. So you go. So you go. Yeah. I always have to have my last, you know. So we went through. I didn't go too long, you know. And I didn't go too hard. And I got a lot of herbs. I think I found another herb here too. So I'm gonna bring it home. I'm gonna research it, make sure I'm sure. Here it is. Yeah. Be a strongback. Yeah. I'll try it and work with it. And that's not even a few minutes worth of getting a strongback here on the streets of Florida. I tell you, say, from you know the herbs, I know the plants, I know what they're good for, I know what to do with them, I know how to grow them. You can be as fit as a figure and as healthy as a lion cub. Rawr. Remember, you know, it's Rastafari out to the Crocus Bag Farmer. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and share if you like natural medicine, natural food, natural healing, and just the natural vibes. More life, more joy, more happiness. Yeah. Subscribe, like, and share. As you see, I'm sweating. Yes. And believe it or not, I just walked right across the street and got these. See my beautiful moringa tree. I'm going to be showing you how to powderize the moringa leaves soon. So don't worry yourself. I'm just letting it grow, being fresh. I'm going to prune it up, get the leaves, and throw away nothing off of moringa. Bless up yourself. Do not stress up yourself. Yeah, it's Rastafari surgery. Yeah, subscribe, like, and share. Yeah, bless up.